Okay, now that you are familiar with partial products, let's talk about the standard algorithm. What is the standard algorithm? Well, the standard algorithm is like we did earlier, the partial products and adding them up. Except, and I'm going to show you how we do it exactly, because the way I was writing it out in previous videos isn't exactly how you write it out. You write it out like this. If you were to be multiplying two numbers, let's say 14 times 4, you wouldn't, and you wanted to find out what they equal by taking their partial products, we wouldn't write it out like this. You would write it out like this. 14. And then you would take the partial products. Now this makes sense because, I mean, this is how we do all our stuff. This is how we do subtraction. This is how we write it down. This is how we do addition. This is how we write it down. Right? Write it down like this. So whenever I'm doing my standard algorithm multiplication, which is just taking the partial products and then adding them up, this we multiply 4 times the ones place. So 4 times 4, which is 16 right there. And then instead of writing 16 down, we're going to put that 1, we're going to carry that 1 like we do with addition. We're going to carry that 1 and put it up there. The 1 in 16, that tens place 1, we're going to put that on the next tens place. And then we're going to multiply this 4 against that 1. Okay? 4 times 1, and that's going to be 40. But then we have this 1 right here, so we add this 1 to this. Oh, I should never write it down. This is a pen. To this 1 right here, and this becomes a 5. This is the exact same thing as taking the partial product. So we have 56 right here. 4 times 4 is 16, and then 4 times 10 is 40. 40 plus 16 is 56. So we're doing the exact same thing here. We multiplied 4 against 4, we got 16. We carried the 1 on this place, and then we multiplied 4 times that 1. We have 4, but then we have to add the 1 on top. So we got 5, 56. And that's how you do the standard algorithm. You write out the multiplication problem like this, and then you multiply each place. In this case, let's say 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. So we just put here, bring the 1 over here, but there's nothing there. We just drop the 1 down. 120.